6.5 months ago, I'd applied to be a Canadian permanent resident through the Spousal Sponsorship Program. And this Monday, I received the AOR, which is the Application of Receipt, which means that the IRCC or the Canadian government has finally started working on my application. And if everything goes well, then in another 6 months, I should get my PR. Fingers crossed. Spousal sponsorship application has an average processing time of 12 months. They have recently started an online application, but up until 6 months ago, it was all paper-based. You are supposed to neatly arrange all the forms, the proofs, and the receipts in the order prescribed and send it via mail to the immigration office. Now, if you're someone who's thinking about applying, then I would strongly recommend you to explore the online method as it seems to have a much lower processing time. The total cost of the application is $1,135, which includes the fee to sponsor your spouse, which is $1,050, and a biometric fee of $85. In case you have a dependent child, that's going to be another $150 per child. Now, this does not include the cost for the medical test, which is another $300. Also note that if you are applying for an open work permit, that's going to cost you another $100. You may or may not need to submit your biometrics if you've already traveled to Canada before. You can check whether IRCC already has your biometrics using the biometric status tool, which is present here on the screen below, and we've also added it to the description box. Okay, so you've mailed the documents to IRCC, but what's next? Well, now starts the waiting game. The major milestones during the waiting period are: number 1 is the acknowledgement of the mail package. This usually comes in a week's time, and we received ours on May 20th. Number 2 is the pre-AOR or the pre-application of receipt. In this step, they will assign a temporary file number to you. This usually happens in 2 to 3 months, and in our case, sponsor received an email on the June 24th. Number 3, the AOR or AOR1, which is the application of receipt. This signifies that the IRCC has started processing your application, and this comes around the 4th or the 5th month mark. For us, it came on October 25th. Number 4 is a request for biometrics and medicals. This usually comes with the AOR if it is applicable. In our case, we got the request for biometrics on October 25th. The request was sent via email, and we had all the information that we needed to proceed. Since I was here in Canada, I quickly looked up where in my city I can give my biometrics, and luckily the Service Canada office was very near to our home. So we walked to the place, and I was done with my biometrics within an hour of receiving the request. Also, since we had paid the biometric fee upfront with our application, we didn't have to pay anything at the center. Number 5 is the open work permit. Now, this is applicable to only inland applicants, and we usually get it by the 5th or the 6th month. In our case, we've applied for it, but we've received nothing so far. Number 6 is the sponsor's approval. In this step, the IRCC verifies if the sponsor is eligible to sponsor you or not. This usually happens around the 6th or the 7th month. Number 7 is the PR confirmation and the ECOPR. Now, this is the step that everyone is waiting for eagerly, and if everything goes well, then you will have your ECOPR on the 7th or the 8th month. There are cases where this entire process has taken less than 4 months, and there are also cases where this entire process has taken more than 2 years. But sooner or later, if your documents are genuine and correct, you will hear the good news. If you are in the process of filing your application, and if you have any questions, then please do let us know in the comment section, and we will try and help you with the best of our knowledge. I will be posting regularly about any advancements in my application on this channel, and you can follow my journey by clicking on the subscribe button. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.